Good evening, parents. My name is Lisa Casey. I am your student sculpture teacher. They have sculpture third block, and we have been off to a busy start. We made some Alexander Calder inspired wire sculptures that I went out today and got the wood for the bases. So we'll be finishing those up this week and photographing them. And then we've also been working on a three-dimensional letter sculpture out of cardboard and tagboard and a variety of materials. Throughout the semester, we'll be trying lots of different sculptural techniques. We'll be doing some plaster work, we'll do some things out of clay, paper mache, just a wide variety. We will occasionally need some recycled things from home, thin pieces of cereal box or, variety of things. So I'll post that on CTLS whenever we are in need of something that you might be throwing away at home that we could utilize for our sculptures. The kids have, primarily they should be getting a grade every week or two, depending on the process and how long it is for the sculpture to be finished. Most of the work is graded on craftsmanship and the time and care that they are putting into something, the idea behind their design. So this group has been really great. They all come in, they're really eager to get started and to try things. And so I'm confident that everybody's going to be super successful. I'm going to try and post some photos with this video, or at least in the email, of some things that we've been doing so far. And I post often on Twitter things that they do. So be looking out for some fun projects that we have finished. If you haven't had a chance to sign the syllabus, please look in Synergy and see if your student is still missing the syllabus. It's not graded, but it would just help me if they got those turned in so that I know you saw it. And it also has an opportunity, if there's anything that you need me to know about your student, there's a place to write that on there as well. So I'm looking forward to a great semester. If you need to get in touch with me at all, you can always reach me at lisa.casey, CASEY, at cobbk12.org. Thanks. Have a great night.